Hello everyone, my name is Manvi, working as automation test professional in British Telecom. I take this opportunity to thank TestFlex for providing an excellent global virtual stage for software testers around the world. It's a great honor and pleasure to be here today sharing our transformation journey with all of you. We are an organization of extraordinary history of innovation. Our technology stack varies from mainframes of 35 years old to the latest Bond AngularJS. Open network varies from 100 world copper connections to the latest ultra-fast fiber connection. So today, I will be talking about a new approach that helped us to move beyond traditional automation strategy and fully embrace automation centricity by expanding the testing scale to 8 different categories called as Octonary, a QX automation approach. Well, our vision of ensuring quality experience to our esteemed customer was a dream. We really wanted to achieve leadership in quality experience, enabling faster, agile, and extraordinary customer experience with touchless digital automation. We deployed a human centric design thinking approach by adopting HCD principles. We worked with various stakeholders to understand what a quality experience our users need. We carved our expectation in a wall and set our priorities in various categories. Number 1, quality of code. Number 2, performance of code. And number 3, accessibility of code. We really wanted to ensure to do this at every deployment by designing a robust experience pipeline in DevOps chain and looked at various tooling providers and tools to enable and enrich our existing automation pipes with extraordinary AI powered UX testing. So the question comes, how exactly Octonary helped us achieve our dream? Well, Octonary is one-stop testing platform where we have expanded the testing scale to 8 different categories, which tries to achieve improved and effective testing of the application. Octonary implementation helps us achieve by using integrated set of solution or a tool chain to do code quality checks, security vulnerabilities, performance, feature tested, visual coverage, removal of manual steps, reduce errors, increase team agility, and most importantly, center customers at the heart of quality solution. The rapid, reliable, and effective execution of 8 levels of filter approach in various DevOps phases has been adopted in software development lifecycle that the teams use to build, test, deploy, and monitor application with speed, quality, and control. So let's dive into the 8 levels of filter approach and showcase our commitment to the industry best practices and standards. Number 1 is unit testing. With the help of JUnit is the first layer of validation in our CI/CD pipeline. Since the bugs are found early, unit testing helps reduce the cost of bug fixes. For a test to be reliable, the results of the test must be measurable. The 4 metrics for unit testing typically used in organization are code quality, test case pass rate, last run, history of run, and AI-based bug prediction were deployed to measure the code coverage, code loops, malfunction object deductions. A patented custom-built solution to effectively measure the code quality via an automated pipeline chain. Secondly, we are doing continuous inspection of code quality using SonarQube to perform automatic reviews with static analysis of code to detect bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities. Then comes performance driven testing, where we assess the capacity, availability, resilience, and notify the platforms via machine learning of the existing platform and insights so that the late defects over performance is reduced drastically. Fourth is behavior driven development for component system testing. Our requirement owners write the behavior files, and our system picks up the same and convert them into the executable scripts. Fifth is Sophie.ai. It's a commercial tool which has helped us validate broad spectrum of website validation in a very effective and efficient way. BT has hundreds of websites that need to be validated as part of CI/CD, and we are really looking forward to integrating with our daily test runs. Then comes behavior driven development for end-to-end testing powered by our AI. Our DevOps framework is insight driven as we trigger the test based on the impacts, not just blindly test everything. Seventh is for visual testing. We are using commercial tool called Applitools. It's an AI-based tool that instantly detects and reports any difference found between the checkpoint and expected baseline and enables us to perform visual continuous testing in the DevOps pipeline. Last but not the least, we have created an in-house platform for synthetic monitoring to check the health and status of the application. This tool will emulate the transaction of user flows of an end user to track the performance of the live and test application. So basically, all in all, this approach has helped to achieve optimization in various phases of testing, starting from unit testing to live application monitoring. We are able to achieve our significant critical measures and stronger KPIs with our brilliant and happier teams. Greatest success factor was all our teams felt they are extremely happy with the way our organization evolved and reported 93% happiness index. In addition, there are many attributes that have come out of our cohesive team effort. For example, rapid execution to bring down the end to end execution to 6 hours. And most importantly, one time scripting, which leads to faster releases and increased velocity by 50%. Also, now there's automatic validation. Every single screen of the application of visual quality, performance, crash analysis, and security will be checked. We do frequent checks of the health and status of the application via Octonary dashboard. Which helps us with instant defect detection and reporting of visual validation with 99.99% AI accuracy rate, along with autonomous testing for mobiles as well as websites. By doing so, we can say that we are saving 50K per application. In a nutshell, Octonary is a project started to bridge quality assurance and customer experience. Birth of our very own quality experience, we are proud to say that this is the very magical experience on quality. A human-centered quality assurance approach driven by automation and powered by AI. That's our Octonary, our own QX. For long years, we are the custodians of quality. We are now the custodians of experience too. Wish you all a very best of luck of being a great custodians of our customer experience. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.